Noong taong 2022, lumahok ang bayan ng Mayantok sa Community-Based Monitoring System o CBMS. Isang sistematikong barangay level na census na isinagawa mula Agosto hanggang Oktubre. 37 enumerators, 7 team supervisors, at 2 census area supervisors ang nangalap ng datos sa bawat sambahayan. Kabilang ang geotagging ng mga pasilidad at infrastruktura upang makalikom ng napapanahon at disaggregated na impormasyon sa edukasyon, kalusugan, pabahay, kabuhayan, infrastruktura, at iba pa na naging batayan ng bayan ng Mayantok sa paggawa ng mas tumpak at nakatutok na mga plano at naging pundasyon ng mas matatag at resilienteng komunidad sa pamamagitan ng pagsisiwalat sa antas ng kahirapan, kakulangan sa serbisyo at oportunidad sa pag-unlad sa pinakabarangay na level.
Hello po. So, ako po si Engineer Aizil Cablilan from LGU Mayantok, Tarlac. Ako po ang Municipal Planning and Development Coordinator and designated DPO po ng Municipality of Mayantok. Ang pinakamahalagang maitulong po ni CBMS sa amin during our planning period na kung saan po ay na-identify po namin kung sino po yung mga talagang mga nangangailangan ng iba't ibang projects, no? Mapaano mga sector, mapa-social, syempre especially sa social, sa sunod na sa economic. Po kami mga programa na nare-receive galing po sa mga outsourced project po, no? Gaya po ng World Organization po. No? So ang pinaka-major na beneficiary daw po nila, yung po mga 4Ps, IPs, and indigent families sa mga remote area. So, dito po, meron po silang ibibigay doon na 100 pieces na solar lights and 10 pieces na street lights. So, per ano po yun, per household. Nagamit na namin sa CBMS sa pag-identify kung sino-sino yung mga bahay or mga household na wala po pong kuryente sa area nila. Under social services din po, meron po kaming program na subsidy to solo parents, to PWDs. No? So, yung list of the PWDs and solo parents na-enrolled po, na nag-aaral, sila po yung mga nabibigyan po ng financial assistance. So, gamit na gamit po sa CBMS sa pag-identify.
Hello, ako po si Camille Mo, Planning Assistant ng LGU Mayantok at designated Municipal Statistician. Ang naitulong po ng CBMS sa amin is, number 1, siguro, naging evidence-based or mas naging objective yung mga ginagawa naming pagpaplano. And isa pa siguro ay yung kami mismo, mas nakilala namin yung LGU namin kasi mas naaaral namin yung demographics na gagamitin din namin sa trabaho. Sa planning, paano namin siya nagagamit. Halimbawa dun sa LSP dati, Local Shelter Plan. Na-identify namin yung mga housing needs ng mga taga-Mayantok based dun sa, may mga questions dun sa CBMS on housing material, tsaka kung saan located yung mga household. So, na-identify namin kung sino yung mga displaced households ng LGU. Sa disaster siguro, nung minsan nagpa-practice kami. Nagpa-practice po kasi kami, critical areas, nag-identify kami ng mga critical areas, kung ano yung mga pinaka-affected ng mga disaster dito sa LGU. So, na-identify namin, based sa CBMS, yung kung ano yung mga households na affected.
Good day to everyone. In our journey to make Mayantok a better home for all, we have learned that the best plan came from listening to the real stories and needs of our people. That is why the Community-Based Monitoring System, or CBMS, has come an important tool for us. Through CBMS, we are able to identify marginalized individuals and families in our community. We now have a data bank that shows the real and current situation of our constituents. This enables us to plan better and craft ordinances that can truly help improve their lives. Through CBMS, we were able to see the true picture of our community. It helped us in formulating our local shelter plan by identifying displaced households in need of safer home. Through our partnership with Global Peace Foundation, CBMS data guided us in finding households without electricity so that can be provided for assistance. It also supported our students by serving as a reliable source of data for the research about our community. Our comprehensive land use plan, CBMS played a vital role in developing the climate and disaster risk assessment by identifying households in areas prone to floods and earthquakes. It also made it possible for us to identify the right beneficiaries for our social program: solo parents, senior citizens, persons with disability, and farmers in need of support. Because of CBMS, our decisions are based in facts, not assumptions. Every program we implement, every ordinance we pass, and every peso we spend is guided by the real information, ensuring that our activities address to the needs of our people. Let us continue to use CBMS so that every project we do will reach those who need it most, and every Mayanto Kenyans can feel the benefit of good governance.
Swak na datos para sa komunidad na mas maayos.